Hello everybody, I want to show you with this video how you can change the language at the Samsung Galaxy A42 5G. So first of all, let me tell you, whatever language you will have on your phone right now, with whatever letters, the symbols and the positions I will show you right now will be always the same. Okay, so let's start. Just scroll down here and then we will have here the symbol for the settings. Tap it. Then we have to scroll down to the point General Management. It is with this symbol here to adjust things. Tap it. And now we will need the first point here, Language and Input. Tap it. And here we will need again the first point, Language. Tap it. So, may you have already a list here with your language. In case you have, just tap maybe on the language you want to have, in my case Deutsch, so German. Just tap the written word and go directly here on the blue button to apply. And now the phone will be in German, or in your case, in your language. Okay, let's go back to English. The blue button, as we have learned, because I want to show you what if happened if your language is not part of the list here. So we will need the plus symbol here, as you can imagine, to add a language. So the green plus symbol now. And now just choose the language you want to have. There are many languages here. And let's keep going on in English maybe to show you better. And what's very nice, you can choose now your dialect. Let's choose the dialect from the Philippines here. Greetings, by the way. And now you have to set up it directly as default here. Set up as default. And now English with the dialect of the Philippines is now the language of the phone. Yeah, I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. And maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me some thumbs up. That would be very helpful for my videos. Thank you so much for. And I've created also some other videos if you're interested in, or maybe just subscribe me. It would be really a pleasure to see you again. And maybe until next time. Ciao.